Hello friends, myself R.D. Mahajan, presenting my video on curl and irrotational vector function. Let us solve some problems. Example number 1, if f bar is equal to grad of x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xyz, given scalar function, it is a vector function f bar, then determine del dot f bar and del cross f bar. Therefore, here given is f bar is equals to a grad of that scalar point function del operated on that scalar point function. We have the del operator is I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z, which way to operate on that scalar point function. It is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xyz, and then as per that definition of grad, it is nothing but differentiating that with respect to x. Therefore, it is derivative of x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xyz into I plus differentiating it with respect to y, it is x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xyz into j, and then differentiating with respect to z, we get plus dou by dou z of x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xyz into k. And therefore we have differentiating each and every term with respect to x, keeping y and z constant. Therefore derivative of first term is 2x, derivative of second, third 0, and derivative of the last term with respect to x is minus 2yz into I. Then differentiating it with respect to y, keeping x and z constant, we get the derivative as 0 for this. Derivative of y square is 2y, derivative of z square is 0, and differentiation of the last term is minus 2xz into j, and then differentiating it with respect to z, keeping x and y constant, we get derivative of first one 0, derivative of second one is also 0, and derivative of z square is 2z minus differentiation of the last 2xyz is 2xy into k, and therefore it is 2 times x minus yz into I plus 2 times y minus xz into j, and plus 2 times z minus xy into k as the that f bar, a vector function. We call this as equation, this one as 1, and this new value as equation 2. And then after getting this value, we require to find its divergence and curl, that is del dot f bar and del cross f bar. Then divergence of f bar is del dot f bar, substituting the value of del operator as I dou by dou x, j dou by dou y and k dou by dou z, and dot product with f bar, and that f bar is 2 times x minus yz into I plus 2 times y minus xz into j and plus 2 times z minus xy into k. And as it is a dot product of two vectors, applying that definition of dot product, is a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3, we get it is dou by dou x of 2 times x minus yz plus a2 b2 means it is dou by dou y of second component, it is 2 times y minus xz and plus a3 b3 operating on this, we get it is dou by dou z of 2 times z minus xy. And then obtaining all these partial derivatives, differentiation of this with respect to x is 2, derivative of yz is 0, differentiation of 2y with respect to y is again 2, and derivative of that xz is 0, differentiation of 2z with respect to z is 2, and derivative of xy with respect to z is 0, and therefore this 2 plus 2 plus 2, we get that value as 6. This is the value of that del dot f bar or divergence of that f bar. We call this as equation number 3. Next, we require to find del cross f bar. Then that del cross f bar, as per definition of curl, it is determinant of I, j and k dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z, and in third row the component of that vector f bar, it is 2 times x minus yz, second component is 2 times y minus xz, and third component is 2 times z minus xy. And then evaluating this third order determinant as usual, we get neglecting first row and first column, it is dou by dou y of 2 times z minus xy minus dou by dou z of two times y minus xz into I. Then second one is with minus sign. Neglecting first row and second column, taking a determinant of these 4 elements, it is dou by dou x of 2 times z minus xy minus dou by dou z of this it is 2 times x minus yz into j, then plus k into, neglecting first row and the last column, we get a determinant of the remaining 4 elements as it is dou by dou x of 2 times y minus xz minus dou by dou y of this 2 times x minus yz into k, and then obtaining the partial derivatives. Therefore, differentiation of this with respect to y is 0 for this, and the derivative of that minus xy is minus, therefore it is minus 2x into I differentiation of this term with respect to z, 0 for the first, and derivative of this with respect to z is minus 2x, and that minus it becomes plus 2x into I, then minus j into differentiating this term with respect to x, derivative of z is 0, derivative of this xy with respect to x is minus 2y minus derivative of this with respect to z minus 2y, and this minus it becomes plus 2y into j, plus differentiating this term with respect to x, its derivative is 0 and its derivative is minus 2z, and minus, and this minus it becomes plus. Differentiation of that last term with respect to y is plus 2z into k, and therefore simplifying it, minus 2x plus 2x we get 0i, minus 2y plus 2y we get 0j, and 2z minus 2z once again we get 0, and therefore it is 0k, and it is nothing but 0. Therefore we get that curl of f bar as 0, means that function f bar is irrotational. Therefore I obtain the value of this del cross f bar. Second example, show that function f bar, vector function f bar, sin y plus z into I plus x cos y minus z into j plus x minus y into k is irrotational, and therefore to prove that it is irrotational, that f bar is irrotational, we have to prove that the value of del cross f bar as 0. Means if we show curl of that function as 0, we can say that it is irrotational vector function, and therefore that del cross f bar is obtained by determinant containing ijk first row as per definition, second row containing the operator dou by dou x, dou by dou y, and dou by dou z, and third row containing the component of this given vector function. It is sin y plus z, second one is x cos y minus z, and the third one is x minus y. Then evaluating this third order determinant, we get I into, neglecting first one first column and taking determinant of that remaining 4, we get dou by dou y of x minus y minus dou by dou z of this x cos y minus z Then second one is with minus sign, minus j into, this time neglecting the first row and second column and taking determinant of these four elements, we get dou by dou x of x minus y minus dou by dou z of sin y plus z and plus k into, this time neglecting first row and last column and taking a determinant of this remaining four elements, we have partial derivative of this term with respect to x, dou by dou x of x cos y minus z minus dou by dou y of this term sin y plus z. And then obtaining that partial derivative, we get differentiation of this term with respect to y is minus 1. Differentiation of this term with respect to z is minus, and this minus, it becomes plus 1 into I. Then differentiating this first with respect to x, its derivative with respect to x is 1, derivative of y is 0, minus derivative of z with respect to z is 1, and derivative of sin y is 0, as it is not function of z, into j plus differentiating this with respect to x, its derivative is cos y, derivative of z with respect to x is 0, minus differentiation of sin y with respect to y is cos y into k. And therefore, simplifying it, we get 0i minus 0j and plus 0k, and nothing but that curl of f bar is 0, that is f bar is irrotational. Vector function. Hence proved. Some more I will discuss in my next video. Therefore, if you are watching my videos, please like and share it, as well as subscribe to my channel to get new updates. Thank you. Thank you very much.